Okay, morning people, morning. What's going on? Happy Sunday to the Sunday, February, what is February the 10th. So happy Sunday, February the 10th. Today, me gonna talk about two things. So I've uploaded, I think about a few videos, probably about 3 videos, concerning about the news back home. If you're new to my channel, before me get into it, if you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe, like if you like my content. Also, I'll be talking a lot of patois in my video them. So if you're not familiar with it, I am sorry. But I'm gonna try my best for explain it and make everybody understand. To all of my viewers then basically. But yes, everything I gonna happen, everything I go on go straight to Yaad, walk on a Yaad, and if me have any news me upload it so everybody can get an insight of what's going on. Yaad thoughts, because it's gonna be my opinion. Literally everything gonna be my opinion. I'll probably have my husband join in with me into a couple of them, but for now I just really get a thought. Sometimes I look over here to see if the camera focus. If you hear a little clicking sound as well, it's because of the lens of the camera. This is my thoughts, my opinion. Everybody entitled to their own opinion. You're entitled to yours, me entitled to mine. Anyway, how much time am I gonna say anyway? So 2 topics that we're gonna talk about today. The stolen baby, when we posted the news about it, and my credits them go to the Gleaner, because I get those news from the Gleaner as well. Let me bring forward to you guys, so I have to give them credit for that. Big up myself. And the bus driver that got shot by the police, right? I saw them video that circulated on Facebook.
Me first. I feel good. I feel happy. I'm on month? Hell on earth. Yes man, hell on earth.
White was equally overjoyed.
Wonderful, excited, ecstatic.
Suzette White and Sinclair Hutton, I think I'm pronouncing that right, have been no seriously. I've been reunited with their baby boy who was snatched from Victoria Jubilee Hospital a month ago. The baby, who had been in the care of the Child Protection and Family Service since he was found on Tuesday, was reported to his parents, Denantown Police Station in Kingston a short while ago. He was taken from a woman who had gone to the Registrar General's office in Twickenham Park, St. Catherine, with the intention to having the child registered. The authorities detained the woman after they became suspicious about the documents that she had submitted for the registration. That same day, White and her common law husband were asked by Kingston Western Police to do a DNA test to determine whether the baby taken from the woman was theirs. The baby's identity was yesterday confirmed, ending the couple's month-long nightmare. So, my thoughts on this is, first the news come out saying that our baby was stolen, and I was listening to RJR online, and the father was making his statement saying, oh, he got the news and stuff like that. Mom said there was the nurse in there in the room with her, and she went to the bathroom for go clean up herself or something like that, because the nurse said, yeah, well, go clean up yourself and stuff. She come back out and the baby gone. And she went to go report it to the nurses and stuff to check to see if the baby in the nursery. The baby wasn't in the nursery either. And them run for go see them, check them at that time. I guess them put out them alert and stuff, and then check to see the security guard, because I guess they have a system in place here in Canada. They do have a system. The baby have an armband on their hand and their foot, and the mom has it as well. Before you leave, them have to check the number, and it has to match the baby number on their arm or foot, right? So it's a similar system like that them have in Jamaica, they say. So them go for check out the post which part the security guard supposed to be. There's no security guard at that time, which we find that fishy. So that's why I'm gonna come around to. We find that fishy that in such a place where it's supposed to be secure, there's no security guard, and even if it's like an unturned business, one come off and one go up on lunch or whatever, there should always be a security guard there. But anyway, I'm not hear anything about the security guard, if he had been charged, if he have been questioned, in-depth question about what go on. I have nothing, I have heard nothing, right? But after them send out news and, you know, send out saying that to make sure into your neighborhood you watch to see if there's any woman that may have she was pregnant, lost a baby, and she now have a baby, to send news. All of those news, you know, got all over social media. Everybody are saying, you know, them sad, them are send prayers and stuff like that, and the news was very sad. So a month after, as I'm reading in the report here, a month after now, because the 9th, yesterday would I make 1 month, right? About a month after, they find out this woman all of a sudden got register baby at the registration place, and our documents them, I think they're asking her questions and things don't add up. That's what they're saying, things don't add up. I'm not sure if them have what would I say, a plan. I'm not sure if them have some kind of something where them go through for, you know, just in case if something seems so suspicious. But I guess them take extra precaution because at that time, you know, there's a baby missing. I'm not sure if that baby is the only baby missing in Jamaica, but a while back, I know there was a baby that was missing and then they found back the baby. But yeah, the lady go with her bright self, go figure. Well, I don't understand her situation still, but it's totally wrong, right? You take somebody else's baby, you like, take somebody else's baby, you leave that person with pain, right? You say, why you not go adapt? I can't understand that. If you don't know how to ask around, try if you go to the same way you go to the registration place, go to a place where you would think, say, okay, they would know about adoption, right? And adapt your own. Come on, man, adapt your own, man. So, because there's a lot of children that want a place to live, and that be the case, they would have come out, you know, they would have get a nice place to live, right? But the woman with her bright self go register baby, 1 month old baby, and to them it seems suspicious, and them decide, say, you know what, things not add up, what you're saying and your documentation, them not add up. So them carrying the woman, them carrying, and then them run the DNA test. But this is the thing women like, women never understand when them say, oh, the DNA test are gonna take about a week. I'm like, hold on. It's gonna take about a week. I wish part it go from Jamaica to the States, we go do a run a DNA test. Why a DNA test supposed to take a week? You can even get a DNA test done within a day. So what go on with that? But anyway, that's some of the system them into Jamaica me don't understand. Them need to update some of them system, right? But anyway, it never take a week, which was good because the parents them supposed to be very, you know, on edge. I try to find out, you know, our child or what. But it come back, the result come back and say that yeah, it's their baby. You can imagine how joyful them people feel. Listen, right now social media feel joyful enough for them because let me read some of the comments that them say here. Goose somebody said I'm getting goose pimples, such a happy moment. I do hope the baby snatcher gets the necessary help. Yeah, everybody I guess is feeling a little, what you must say, there a lot of them, I'll read through the comments, them not really a cuss the woman and stuff like that, but they kind of feel, you know, a little compassion about the snatcher, right, the kidnapper lady. So I guess that's good because for sure say everybody have a heart, right? And that's what we're supposed to go by. But she said, I do hope the baby snatcher gets the necessary help. I don't think she is a wicked. She is a wicked as she is being portrayed. Mental illness is real. It appears she took care of the baby. May God be with her. Well, that's true because I wonder too if them run any blood tests otherwise from just the DNA to make sure say the baby has no, you know, trace of any disease or anything, you know. And the baby looked good and everything like that, so I guess, you know, she really did take care of the baby as well. And somebody else say, I think they are stealing babies and selling them. when they tell some mothers that their baby died, nothing don't go so. When they tell their mothers when they tell some mothers that their baby died, nothing don't go so. They give them paper to sign saying they will take care of the body. They have a few stillborn babies in storage to show if anyone wants to see the body. Wicked up a Jubilee. Well, I can't comment on that because me really don't know. I really don't know about the selling a baby at first. Me really hear that. Me never really hear them say them a sell baby before. Me know them a sell parts and stuff like that, but the baby me don't know about the part then. Anyway, somebody said thank God she never hurt the baby, and me no think locking her up going to help. Okay, see, one more compassion again. RGD is the real deal here. If they weren't doing their job, this baby would be history, and so happy for them. This year Pitney a gun name not out of my side. Not out of my side. That's true, because you know baby missing and you don't want to go to your side from that. So yeah, I'm read on. So she was taking good care of the baby. I'll give her that. Yes, pure compassion, I sure writer. So okay, observer, we get it. What's wrong with this? Anyway, these things let you know that there is still hope in the world. God is alive and well. Yes, definitely, because the amount of prayer that go up. A lie, Suzette is somebody said a lie, Suzette is my classmate from Trinityville Primary School. They must be and then somebody say they must be so relieved their baby is back. Obviously, the people into them have sleepless night, crying. The woman that cried. Can you imagine you carry a baby for 9 months and then somebody, not only that, the baby never dies, somebody take your baby. That's awful, man. I feel their joy. Thank God for the happy outcome. Let me tell you, the whole nation, the whole Jamaica island is overjoyed because of the return of this baby. And we can't go on and on and on. There's too many into this, so I not go on and on. But anyway, the RGD for doing their job well done. And we're happy for the family. We're happy that they reunited with their baby. The news about them, we just wanted to shed some light on their side.